Understanding safety harness, an essential tool for safety. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, safety harness. This term is not only important for your vocabulary but also crucial for understanding safety procedures in various situations. Let's dive in and learn all about it. A safety harness is a form of protective equipment designed to protect a person, animal, or object from injury or damage. It's essentially a rig of straps that securely wraps around the body, typically used in high-risk jobs or activities like construction, climbing, or certain sports. The harness is designed to be strong, durable, and capable of supporting the weight of a person in case of a fall. Let's break down the key components of a safety harness. Straps, usually made of strong nylon or polyester. Buckles and adjusters, for fitting the harness correctly. D-rings, metal rings for attaching ropes or lanyards. Padding, for comfort, especially in shoulder and leg areas. Understanding these components is crucial for knowing how to wear and use a safety harness correctly. Safety harnesses are widely used in construction, to prevent falls from heights, rock climbing and mountaineering, for safety during climbs, adventure sports, like bungee jumping or zip lining, child safety, in strollers or high chairs. In each scenario, the harness serves the same purpose, to prevent falls and injuries. Why is a safety harness so important? Simply put, it's a lifesaver. It can mean the difference between a minor scare and a serious, potentially fatal, accident. Safety harnesses are key in workplace safety, especially in jobs involving heights. I hope this video has helped you understand the term, safety harness, and its significance. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about understanding the concepts and ideas behind them. Stay safe, and see you in our next lesson.